Dear students, in the previous episode, the last part of question number 6 is we can find out the distance BD and BC using the formula. BD we get 28.5 root 3 and BC is 9.5 root 3. Then the distance travelled by that boy towards the tower is x and it is BD minus BC. That is 28.5 main root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, that is 19 root 3 meter. Therefore, the distance travelled by that boy towards that tower is what's 90 root 3. That is 90 into 1.73 meter or 90 root 3 meter. That is the final answer. Then in this episode, let us answer the seventh question. That is also an important question. From the 100 point on the ground, angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a tower at the top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. That means this is the building and there is another tower in the building, that is A, B, C. This is the point D. From the point, the angle of elevation means that is the angle made in the above of the horizontal vision. Therefore, this angle is 45 degree and this angle is what? This angle is 60 degree. We can find out the height of the tower and the height of that building is 20 meter, therefore height is 20 meter. Listen, using that 45 degree, that is triangle ABD, we can find out the BD. Using that BD, we can find out the AB. Then AC is equal to AB minus, AC is equal to BC minus AB. That is the answer. Therefore, the answer is AC is equal to H, that is the height of the tower. Using the angle 45 degree, the opposite is AB and adjacent side is BD. Therefore, tan 45 is equal to AB by BD. What is AB? AB is the height of the building, that is 20 meter. What is tan 45? It is 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 20 by BD. Cross multiplication, BD is equal to 20. That is calculation. That means the angle is 45 degree. This right angle triangle is an isosceles right angle triangle. Therefore, AB and BD are equal. Therefore, BD is 20. Then, using the triangle angle at B is 60 degree, opposite side, that is tan 60 is equal to opposite side, that is BC by adjacent side BD. What is tan 60? Root 3, which implies that root 3 is equal to BC by, what is BD? It is given, that is 20. Cross multiplication, BC is equal to 20 root 3. What is it? 20 root 3 is 20 into 1.73, that is equal to 34.6. That is BC. BC is 34.6 and AC is equal to BC minus AB. Therefore, height of tower X is equal to BC minus AB. BC is what? 34.6 minus 20, that is equal to 14.6 meter. That is the height of the tower. Listen, using the angle 45 degree, AB 20, BD is the adjacent side. Therefore, tan 45 is equal to AB by BD. Tan 45 is 1, AB is 20, 1 is 20 by BD, cross multiplication BD is equal to 20. That means they are equal. Using the second triangle, the angle is 60 degree, therefore tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC by BD. That is tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BC by BD is what? 20, that is from the first equation. Cross multiplication, BC is 20 root 3, that is 20 into 1.73, it is 34.6. Therefore, height of the tower H is equal to BC minus AB, that is equal to 34.6 minus 20, it is 14.6 meter. That is the answer of that question. Then the next question is 8th question. A statue is, the height of the statue is 1.6 meters, stands on the top of a pedestal. Pedestal means what is a base. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation at the top of the statue is 60 degrees, that is DA makes an angle 60 with the base. And the top of the statue is 45 degree, that is this angle is 45 degree, that is BC makes an angle 45 degree. We can find out the height of the pedestal, that is H. Then using 60 degree or using 45 degree, that opposite side is BC, it is H, and adjacent side is DB. Therefore, using that one, that is the answer. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side BC by BD. What is tan 45? 1. That is 1 is equal to BC. Let us assume that it is H by BD. Cross multiplication, BD is equal to H. That is an equation. Then using the second triangle ABD, tan 60, that is the angle. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BD. What is tan 60? What is tan 60? It is root 3. AB is what? H plus 1.6. That is this one is 1.6. AB is H plus 1.6. Therefore, it is like as H plus 1.6 by BD. What is BD? It is H. Clear? BD is equal to H from the first equation, and AB is H plus 1.6. Cross multiplication, root 3H is equal to H plus 1.6. Shifting to the left, that is root 3H minus H is equal to 1.6. What is root 3? 1.73. 1.73 H minus H is equal to 1.6. 1.73 minus 1, it is 0.73. Therefore, H is equal to 1.6 by 0.73. That is equal to 60 by or 160 by 73. That is multiplied with the 100, we get 73. With the 100, we get 160. Therefore, 160 by 73 meter, that is the height of the pedestal. Clear? That is height as 160 by 73, or we can divide. Otherwise, that is root 3 minus 1 by 1.6. Therefore, it is also H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. It is also same. Therefore, the answer is H is equal to 160 by 73 meter. That is the height of the pedestal. That is the next question. The ninth question is, angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That is from C, the angle of elevation of A is 30 degree. And that of tower, that of tower means the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. That is this angle is 60 degree. Height of the tower is given, it is 50 meter. Find the height of the building. That means in Pythagorean triangle DCB, the angle is 60. Therefore, opposite side is 50 and adjacent side is BC. From the triangle, we can find out the BC. Using that triangle, this is at what is height of the building. Using triangle ABC, BC is obtained from the first triangle, and we can find out the H using 30. That is tan 30 is equal to opposite and adjacent side. Okay? From first triangle DCB, we get BC. From second triangle, we get AB. That is X. That is the final answer of this problem. That means AB is equal to H, CD is equal to 50. They are given. Using the first tan 60 is equal to opposite side DC by adjacent side DC. What is tan 60? Root 3 is equal to DC, it is 50 by BC. Therefore, BC, root 3 BC is equal to 50. Therefore, BC is equal to 50 by root 3 is equal to 50 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 50 root 3 by 3. That is BC. Then from the second triangle, tan 30 is equal to AB by BC. As tan 30, 1 by root 3 is equal to AB, that is H by BC. BC is obtained from the first result. Oh, it is 50 by root 3, not this right as 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3 meter. Okay. That is 50 by root 3. That is what the convert into the rationalization we can get. Directly we get BC is equal to 50 by root 3. Then that any number by fraction, that root 3 goes to the numerator. Therefore, 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 H by 50. Cross multiplication. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 50 is equal to 3H. Therefore, H is equal to 50 by 3. 50 by 3 is a recurrent number. That is in 5, how many 3s? 1 3. 1 3. The remainder is 2, 20. 6 3s are 18. Remember, that is 6, 6, 6, 6, that is 6, 7. Therefore, height of building is equal to 16.67 meters. That is the answer. That means using the first triangle, I is 60, opposite side is 50. Therefore, we get the BC. That is 50 by root 3 is BC. From the second triangle, tan 30 is equal to H by BC. That tan 30 is 1 by root 3. H by BC is 50 by root 3. Cross multiplication, we get 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 H by 50. Cross multiplication, 50 is root 3, root 3, 3 is. Therefore, 50 by 3. That is 16.67 meter. That is the height of the building. The 10th question is also an important question for your board exam. That means there are two poles. That is AB and CD are the poles. They are with the equal height. That is AB is equal to CD. They are equal to H. And the length between or the wide road 80 meter wide is 80 meter wide. Therefore, this length is 80 meter. And the angle of elevation of the top of the first tower from a point on the road is 60 degree, and for the second tower it is 30 degree. We can find out the height of the poles and also the distance of the point from the poles. That means answer AB is equal to CD is equal to H. That is the height of two poles. And CP is equal to X. That is distance of the point from first pole. Then what is BP? That is CD BC is equal to 80 meter. That is given from the width of that road. It is 80. Therefore, CP is equal to X. Therefore, PB is equal to 80 minus X. Therefore, PB is equal to 80 minus X. Listen, this is H, this is adjacent side. Therefore, using 60 angle, opposite is ABC and other side is BC. We can use tan theta. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to opposite side, that is DC by CP. What is tan 60? Root 3 is equal to DC, it is H, by CP it is X. Cross multiplication, H is equal to root 3x, that's an equation. Then using second triangle, 30 is the angle, AB is the opposite and PB is the adjacent side. Therefore, for the second triangle, tan 30 is equal to what? AB by PB. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB same as H. H by PB. What is PB? 80 minus X. Cross multiplication. 80 minus X is equal to root 3 X. What is H? Root 3x. Therefore, this H is replaced by root 3x. That is 80 minus X is equal to root 3 into. What is H? Root 3x. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. Therefore, 80 minus X is equal to 3x. Shifting to the right, 80 is equal to 3x plus x. That is 4x. Therefore, x is equal to 80 by 4 is equal to what? 20. That is shifting minus x to the right to 3x plus x. That is 4x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 80, x is equal to 80 by 4, that is 20 meter. Therefore, what is h? Shifting the value of x is equal to 20. Therefore, h is equal to what? Therefore, x is equal to root 3 into x. It is 20. Is equal to 20 root 3. Is equal to 20 into root 3 is 1.73. That is 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 1, 2 1 plus 3. That is 34. 0.6 meter. Therefore, first is 20 and second is 80 minus 20 is 60. Therefore, final answer is height of poles is equal to 34.6 meter. Distance of point from first pole is equal to 20 meter. Second pole is equal to 80 minus 20, 60 meter. That means using the first triangle BCP, tan 60 is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is root 3, root 3 is equal to h by x, therefore h is equal to root 3x. That is an equation. From the second triangle, PB is equal to 80, width of the road is 80, therefore first is x, second is 80 minus x. PB is 80 minus x, therefore from second triangle the angle is 30, opposite is h, adjacent is 80 minus x. Therefore tan 30 is equal to h by 80 minus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 80 minus x. Therefore, cross multiplication 18 minus x is equal to root 3h. That 18 minus x into root 3 into what is h? Root 3x. That is root 3 into root 3x. That is 18 minus x is equal to 3x. Shifting minus x to right. 80 is equal to 3x plus x is equal to 4x. Therefore, x is equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20 meter. We get the x. Substitute this value in the first equation. H is equal to 20 root 3 or 20x root 3x. X is 20. That is 20 into 1.7. That is 34.6 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is 34.6 meter. And the distance of the point from the first tower is 20 meter. Second tower is, or second pole is 80 minus 20. That is 60 meter. This is also an important question for board exam. Next question, that is question number 11. This is also an important question. A TV tower on a bank of a canal, that is it. From a point on other bank, therefore the x is the width of the bank. The angle of elevation of the top of that tower is 60 degree. Then 20 meter away from that point, that is D. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. We can find out the height of the tower and also width of the canal. There are two triangles ABC and ABD. Using ABC, 60 is the angle opposite is H and other side is x. For the second triangle, opposite side is H and angle is 30, adjacent side is 20 plus x. Answer is AB is equal to H, BC is equal to x, CD is equal to 20. Therefore, from the first triangle, tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB H by BC x. Cross multiplication, same question. H is equal to root 3 x. That is an equation. From this, the next question, that is also an important question. That means from this result, x is the base. And for second triangle, 20 plus x is the base. Therefore, the answer is what? Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. Therefore, tan 60 is root 3 is equal to h by x. Cross multiplication, h is equal to root 3. That is from the second triangle, that is ABD. Tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Is equal to AB. What is AB? It is x. By BD, 20 plus x. Cross multiplication, 20 plus x is equal to root 3 x. Then what is h? Root 3. Sorry, what is h? Root 3x. Therefore, 20 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3x. That is 20 plus x is equal to 3x. Shifting, 20 is equal to 3x minus x. That is 20 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to 10 meter. That is width of the canal is 10 meter. Substitute the value of x in the first equation. We get to x is equal to root 3 into x. That is it. 10. Translation of 10 root 3 is equal to 10 into 1.73. Multiplied by 10, we get shifting that point to 1 digit right. That is 17.3 meter. Therefore, height of tower is equal to 17.3 meter. Width of canal is equal to 10 meter. That is from the first one, we get the relation between these two, that is h is equal to root 3x. From second, 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 20 plus x. Therefore, 20 plus x is equal to 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, that is 3. That is root 3h. H is replaced by root 3x, therefore root 3 into root 3x, that is 20 plus x is equal to 3x. Therefore 20 is equal to 3x minus x is equal to 2x. X is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 into root 3, that is 17.3. Therefore height of the tower is 17.3 meter and width of the canal is 10 meter. That is the answer of question number 11. This is the next question, that is 12th question. It is an important question. This is a building. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation, that means side is in the upward direction of the top of a tower. A is a tower, is 60 degree. From this top, that means the angle of elevation is downward to the horizontal, therefore it is angle of depression. This angle is 45 degree. Yes, sir. These two lines are parallel. And this is the transverse line. Therefore, this angle is 45 degree. Therefore, this angle is also 45 degree. That is automatic angles. Therefore, from this figure, we can find out B using tan 45. That is tan 45. That is the answer. Tan 45 is equal to this angle is 45. That is the depression. Therefore, this angle is also 45. Because they are parallel and these are alternate angles and the transverse line cut to that two parallel lines or alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. There are several properties for angles. Therefore, this angle is 45. Therefore, tan 45 is equal to opposite side D by adjacent side DE. What is tan 45? It is 1. DE, that is 7 by DE. Cross multiplication DE is equal to 7 meters. That means distance between the building and tower is 7 meters. Therefore, this length is same as BC. BC and BE are same. Therefore, using this triangle, tan 60 is equal to AC by DC is equal to AC by DC is same as BC. P. What is tan 60? Root 3 is equal to AC. It is H. By BE, it is 7. Therefore, H is equal to 7 root 3 is equal to 7 into 1.73. Is 12.51 meter. Therefore, we can find out what height of the tower. Height of tower is equal to AC plus BC. Is equal to 12.51 plus 7. Is 19.51 meter. That is the height of the tower. That means using this triangle, we get BE is equal to 7. Using this triangle, BC is equal to 7 and you can find out H. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to H plus 7. H is 12.51 plus 7 is 19.51. That is the height of the tower. The 13th question is also another question. From the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse, the angle depression means the vision is in the downward or horizontal of two ships. They are in C and D. They are on the same side, one behind the other, are 45 degree and 30 degree. We can find out the distance between ships. That means CD. That is X. It is. Then this angle of depression, this angle is 45 degree. Therefore, these are transverse line. Therefore, this angle is 45 degree, and it is 30 degree. Therefore, the angle is 30 degree. Therefore, using this result, that is 45, opposite adjacent side, we get adjacent side. Therefore, answer is what? Tan 45 is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. Tan 45 is what? Is equal to 75 by BC. Cross multiplication, BC is equal to 75. Therefore, this length is, we get to 75. Using this angle, 30 degree, opposite 75, adjacent side BD. Therefore, tan 30 degree, opposite is AB, other side is BD, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB is 75 by BD, cross multiplication, BD is equal to 75 root 3. Then CD is the distance between ships. Distance between ships is equal to X is equal to BD minus BC. BD is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. That is equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1. Is equal to 75 into 1.73 minus 1. Is equal to 75 into 0.73. Is equal to, that is 75 into 0.73. That is 75 into 73. How many days? 2 days. Is equal to 53.75 meter. That is the distance between the two ships. Therefore, angle depression, using the angle depression, with the alternate angle be equal, therefore we get the angle at the C is 45, angle at D is 30, therefore we can find out, therefore the distance between two ships is 53.75 meter. Sin 5 meter. Then the question number 14. Question number 14. A 1.2 meter gate then the 14th question is a 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon at a height of 88.2 meter. That means A is equal to 88.2 meter from the ground. And it to move, the angle of elevation of the balloon is 60 degree from the ground. That is this 60 degree. That is angle HDC is equal to 60 degree. And after sometimes that balloon move in a horizontal way. Therefore, the angle of elevation of the balloon is 30 degree. We can find out the distance between these two. This is H. This is H. Or it is X. Height, not height, it is X. It is X. So the answer is, we know that A is the height of that balloon from the ground. It is 88.2 meter. Height of that is there, that is BE, is same as BG. BE is equal to, that is height of the girl, that is same as this one, that is 1.2. Therefore AB is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, that is equal to 87. It is 87. 88 minus 1 is 87. Therefore AB is 87. AX is equal to BC is equal to X. That is the distance traveled by the balloon. Then, using this angle 60 degree, CH is always equal to 8H is equal to CH. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to CH by DC. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to CH is equal to 87 by DC. Therefore, DC root 3 DC is equal to 87. DC is equal to 87 by root 3. Is equal to 87 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 87 root 3 by 3 is equal to 27 root 29. 27 root 3, that is this. Then from the second triangle DBA, tan 30 is equal to, let's start with the AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is same as 87 by BD. Cross multiplication, BD is equal to 87 root 3. Clear? From the first figure, CD is equal to 29 root 3. From second figure, BD is equal to 87 root 3. Therefore, distance between that one is CX. BC is equal to X is equal to BD minus CD. That is 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. That is 87, 29. That is 17, 8. Then 7 minus 2, 58. Is equal to 58 to root 3. That is distance between the distance traveled. Therefore, distance traveled by balloon is equal to what? 58 root 3 meters. This one, that means total height of that balloon from the ground is 88.2, but height of the gun is 1.2. Therefore, AB is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 is 87. Using the first result, DC is equal to, what is DC? Tan 60 is CH by DC. That is root 3 is equal to 87 by DC. Therefore, cross multiplication, DC is equal to 87 by root 3. Multiplying by root 3 into root 3, 3. 87 by 3 is 29. Therefore, it is 29. From the second figure, DB distance traveled by this balloon is x, that is BD minus CD. That is 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3, it is 58 root 3. Therefore, distance traveled by the balloon is 58 root 3 meter. Okay. Dear students, the third question and the fourth question are also homework. The last two questions are 15th question and 16th question. They are simple questions. They are also for your homework. Therefore, this chapter, that means application of trigonometry, be closed. Therefore, all other questions from the exercise are your homework. Okay.